a mother, homemaker, CEO, daughter, sister, agony aunt, and best friend. You have all your roles set out for you. But when is it your turn? Time when you take care of your health? It's time you decided that you are number one and took charge. Here are the top 10 fitness tips that will help you get on the highway to fitness. Quick 10 fitness tips for the superwoman in you. Tip 1. Pay attention to your diet. The first step to getting fit is eating the right food at the right time. If you think that by skipping meals you are going to get that size 0 figure, you're completely wrong. Eating food at the right time is the best thing to do. Eating late will only harm your health in the long run and make you more prone to diseases and infections. Tip 2. Bring out the iron woman. Iron and folic acid are important because they help your body produce red blood cells and also keep the nerves and muscles functioning properly. To get your daily dose of iron and folic acid, you should include foods like green leafy vegetables, beans, citrus fruits, juices, and chicken in your diet. Tip 3. Get some calcium. Calcium helps to fortify our bones. As women age, we tend to lose calcium from our bones, which could lead to arthritis and osteoporosis. In order to keep the calcium levels up, do include foods like milk, curds, and eggs in your diet. Tip 4. Get moving. Your body and health often get neglected in a rush to meet a deadline, and eating out becomes a norm. It is highly important to undergo some kind of physical exercise in order to keep your body agile and fit. Sitting on a chair for long hours staring at a computer screen can lead to various health problems. Tip 5. Hook on to cardio. To stay fit and maintain heart health, get a good amount of cardio. If joining a gym is too cumbersome for you, try something simple like just taking the stairs instead of the lift, or just try some normal stretching. You could also take up physical activities like swimming, Pilates, or you have yoga, running, etc. Or even something fun like Zumba. Tip 6. Pump it up. Most women believe that if they weight train, they will end up looking muscular and bulky. However, that's a myth. Weight training is good for women because it helps in building lean muscle, boosts your metabolism, as well as tightens your skin. Just to set the record straight, men who build muscle can do so because of all the testosterone in their body. Women produce only 1/100th of the testosterone as men, so it's almost impossible to look as muscular and build that much muscle as a man. Weight training helps increase your stamina, as well as it also targets problem areas like the hips, the inner thighs, and the back. So forget all the myths attached to weight training and go and pump some iron, girls. Tip 7. Get some me time. Recharge your batteries by taking some time out only for yourself. It will help you replenish your senses and rejuvenate your mood. You could do things like read a book, or maybe just go on a long drive, write poems, or even listen to some soothing music. You may not realize it, but by doing this, you will actually relax your mind and let go of all the pent-up stress. Tip 8. Keep track of your health. They are vital so you know if you are suffering from any hidden illnesses. Early detection always leads to better treatment. Some of the tests that all women above the age of 25 should get themselves screened for are bone mineral density, STDs, cervical cancer, breast cancer, diabetes, etc. You know your body the best, so if you notice anything unusual, go and visit the doctor. Tip 9. Cut down on the booze. Going for a casual drink once in a while has become a trend for many urban women. But what you must remember is not to go overboard, because anything excess is not good for you. Women should not have more than 2 to 3 units of alcohol a day, or 14 units a week. These units are calculated depending on how strong the drink is and also the amount of alcohol that it contains. Tip 10. Kick the butt. While any amount of smoking is bad, it may be difficult to stop it altogether. So cut down little by little until you don't have the urge to smoke any longer. Think about all the harm you are causing your lungs every time you step out to smoke. Just keep these 10 simple tips in mind and you will be well on your way to become that superwoman.